Pikachu's Bird Adventure Part 11. Hey! So I'm gonna go ahead and get now. See everyone? Look at Pika! Look at him, everyone! Now it's time for the Avenger. Well, anyways, everyone, that's all. I'll see you later.